When it comes to taking measurements, the traditional methods can often be inaccurate and time-consuming. Well, one company is hoping their new invention will provide a faster, more efficient way to capture measurements. This is the NeoRulerGo. This neat little gadget is set to be a super handy digital measuring tool made for professionals like architects, engineers, and designers. It comes with 93 built-in scales, so it's perfect for all kinds of measurement needs, including US standard and architectural scales. You can even set up custom scales for specific projects, making it easy to deal with unscaled or misprinted plans. When you pair it with the app, the possibilities really open up, letting you record and export measurements effortlessly. And at just little under 1.5 ounces, the Go is super lightweight and compact enough to take practically anywhere with you. It really is set to be a neat little gadget, but is it any good? So the burning question is this product truly worth the asking price? Well, let's first start by unboxing it. As you can probably guess, the unboxing experience is pretty straightforward. You get the device, a carry case, and a lanyard. But to be honest, it's kind of what you'd expect from a tool like this. It's designed to be something you can just pull out of the box and start using right away. The device features a 1.14-inch full-color display that makes reading measurements super clear. This is a great feature for reducing errors during the measuring process, allowing you to easily see the results no matter the lighting or environment. Having a little screen on the device is rather handy as it reduces errors during the measuring process, allowing you to easily see the results, no matter the lighting or environment. I have to admit, it's a small ruler, and at first I wondered how accurate it could really be. I'm all about the measure twice rule, but the Neo ruler actually turned out to be more accurate than my tape measure and scale ruler. It offers a measurement accuracy of 0.04 inches. This level of precision should be perfect for professions that demand meticulous planning and drawing, like architecture or engineering. It really doesn't matter what shape the item is, what type of surface you're working with, or any other factors, as long as you can glide the wheel along it. You simply push the device from point A to point B, and with the help of the laser to pinpoint your start and end, you can quickly and easily get measurements of whatever you're working with. It comes with no surprise that this will be super handy for architectural work. You can breeze through a plan, adding all the measurements way faster than with a traditional ruler. It's a real time saver for detailed work like that. Before or after taking a measurement, you can easily switch units. Just use the wheel on the device to choose the unit you want, then click the left button to select it. Super simple. There's also an option to measure inner corners. By switching to the corner-to-corner mode, you can use the device in tight spaces. Just tilt it 34 degrees to start, align the laser with the edge of the inner corner, and then glide the device to the other edge. That's really it. This feature really lets you get those precise measurements even in corners, something that would have been tricky with traditional point-to-point measuring. You can choose from 93 standard scales by simply using the wheel to select the one you need. Then through the app, you can enter the custom scale settings menu and start measuring something like the length of a drawing. Once you've measured a line, just hit next. Set the actual length of the measurement in relation to the real thing and click done. Actually, I have to admit, it's a real super easy way to get precise measurements from simple scale drawings. I absolutely love the app. It really takes things to the next level. With the Mesa app, you can easily create, save, and choose your custom scales. It offers settings for things like drawings, line, arc, curve, elements like wall, doors, windows, objects, and even angle and point snaps. Plus, to make things even more efficient, you can export everything to PDF, JPEG, DXF, and even in 3D DXF form. It's really packed with features that make your workflow so much smoother and efficient. The Neo Ruler really shines when it comes to power management. It has a 300 mAh rechargeable Li-ion battery that's pretty impressive in terms of longevity. You're looking at 90 days of standby time, 30 days of regular use, and up to 10 hours of continuous operation. That means you don't have to worry about constantly recharging it, which makes it super convenient for getting work done without interruptions. Now, all in all, the NeoRulerGo combines advanced features, precision, and ease of use, making it a valuable tool for anyone who needs to measure, whether you're a professional architect or just a casual hobbyist. With its range of built-in scales and the handy app, this device makes project planning more efficient and accurate, taking the guesswork out of measurements. This little gem is set to be a device to at least consider. And with that all said, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.